Alright, we're ready. Alright guys, whenever you're pop ribboning your handles on, I'll put masking tape down and duct tape because when this rivet gun lets go, it always comes down here, and I've scratched the paint before, so make sure to protect it. Here. Alright, oh, we gotta take this.
First thing you need to do is make sure you've got that. Then you need to come in.
Go back inside.
So you know what kind of replacement patches you're going to have. To do that, you need to completely cut the material. Anything you have to go seeds, top.
Alright, same thing.
Down on the back.
Yeah, this up.
Yeah.
This down on the back.
Like that.
Yeah.
Jump.
Ready?
Yep.
PVC roll bar. Company went out of business. Here it comes, Barry. Look out.
Oh. Good one, Coach. Ready?
All right.
Oh, that one went smooth. That's smooth. Smooth.
I bought an aftermarket one and it was rubbing.
Oh.
So I went to Out to Pasture Pony Parts, and my boy Sam found me an original one to put on. It fits way better. It looks better. Not good. Yeah. What size were these?
Thanks.
They look bigger than an 8.
Check out that slot.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that looks good. Oh, that looks good. That's a 9.
Looks good under there now. I never seen that. I did not see that yet.
Maybe
We're
not.
gonna have to take this to car show.
That's the point.
I'm not kidding. We really are. We never did. They're so good. Oh, just to keep the car cool so it don't burn out. Did you not know when I read clean everything, I broke a record? Really? That's a needle. Guys, this is a needle.
That's insulation
Wait,
for a pipe.
do we even need it?
Not really.
I wish we could use it as a needle. As the toy.
What's going on, guys? My name's Hayden.
I'm Austin.
So for this video, we will be the cameraman and the film crew for this video. Right here behind us, we've got the Coolpri. We finally put it outside and we've been working on it. We've been helping Brent out a lot on this car. It's just super nice, so I'm gonna show you a few bits of it, and yeah. All right, so guys, that's the outside of the car. You know, this is the inside. There's still lots of work to be done. I know Brent will be taking this to Mustang week next week at the beach. Currently, he is inside there painting the new interior for the car. Yeah, he's in there painting the new interior for the car. So once that gets done, of course it'll be recording, so we'll put pictures of that and videos of that. And yeah, guys.